We are looking at the swarm of tornadoes which has slammed the Oklahoma City area here, which has really just been a part of a mess here. This is the latest video into our newsroom. Oklahoma bracing for more severe weather today after this tornado outbreak produced multiple tornadoes over the weekend. At least 11 were injured and thousands were left in the dark early Sunday morning. Now, power outages, they continue across the central part of the state, and those outages, they're impacting some polling places as well. The governor of Oklahoma says he's going to make sure that Oklahomans, well, that they have a place to cast their ballots.
We are prioritizing with our utilities to make sure that that power is up at those polling stations.
Now, the governor there says if any issues are reported at polling places tomorrow, voters will be rerouted to other locations to avoid any problems.